Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to the Glow Experience. Today we are at the Grandview Las Vegas, and I am going to be giving you guys a room tour. We are in room 801, and we have a double room. That means we have a two-bedroom suite. We have both sides, it's A and B. Let me give you guys a look. 801 A and B, and we're gonna go in and give you guys this tour. We have both rooms. I'm gonna be showing you guys room B. All right, let's get in here. Both rooms are identical. Again, this is 801. You have a full kitchen on this side. We'll get some lights on. So, on this side, guys, we have a full service kitchen. You have a sink. Let's see if I can get some more lights on for you guys. Oh, that wouldn't be lights. There we go. All right, so full sink area. Underneath the sink here is where they usually keep the garbage can. So you find your garbage can down there and some extra bags for the garbage. Have some drawers here with all your cutlery, some shelving, full dishwasher here, guys, toaster. And then up above in the cabinets, they provide you with glassware and cups and also a pitcher. Over here, we have some glass cookware, casserole dishes, bowls, mixing bowls. And then this cabinet here, we have all of your coffee mugs, saucers, plates, bowls. You do get a full size coffee maker in here, and they provide you with some coffee, sugar, tea, things like that in these little packets. I never use those. If I'm gonna make some coffee, I always just go to the store and buy some. Then we have towels and some pot holders. In this drawer down beneath, some more utensils, fork, spoon, knives, butter knives, full microwave, full stove, range, oven, and your teapot. Over here, got a blender, guys. If you want to mix up you some frozen drinks, margaritas, whatever, smoothies, got your stuff there. Got a strainer, another huge mixing bowl, or you can use that for some salads and stuff. Measuring cups. Then full size refrigerator ready for use. Over here we have here some cooking utensils, can opener, bottle opener, pizza cutter, ice cream scooper, all of that. Down beneath is where you'll find all of your pots, so more things to cook with. We'll go this way into the bathroom area. So hubby has his stuff over here, so we're gonna kind of be using both rooms. He's gonna utilize this bathroom, and I'm gonna utilize the one in side A. So you have double sinks and a vanity area. Keep in mind, both sides are identical, like I said in the beginning. You have a dryer here, full length mirror. Hi guys. Walk-in shower, of course, is here. Toilet, garbage can there, of course. And then if you keep walking through this door, turn on this light, you have a full deep jacuzzi tub here, guys. Whirlpool jacuzzi tub. Over here This is where the closet is. Full-size closet, laundry basket in the closet there. You have a full-size ironing board and iron as well. You also have a rack here if you want to put your suitcase up on the luggage rack. And then here is the bathroom, or the bedroom, guys. 2 nightstands. Let's see if we can get some light on in here. Might have to click the lights here. Yeah, there we go. So you have 2 nightstands on both sides of the room. Let's get some more light. A little bit more light for you guys. We'll go with that. All right, so 2 nightstands in the room, guys, with your table lamps. You also have a clock here by the table, and these down here do pull out on both sides for more storage. Full king bed with all your plush bedding on there. Plenty enough pillows to sleep on. You have a full-length mirror here in the corner, guys, in case you need to see yourself. Hey. Full dresser Chester with 6 drawers, pull-out drawers. All of them are functional. All right, and then you have a full-size TV here. I believe this is a 50-inch TV. All right, you come out of the bedroom area into the living room area. Full-length couch, which is a pull-out couch. So if you are staying here in the Grandview and you need some more sleeping space for some extra guests or whatever, this does pull out. Large chair there. More storage over here in this corner. And this is where the extra bedding is for the couch, pull-out couch. Then your safe is here as well. More storage shelving up the top. And then you have this TV stand or console table, which is also functional for storage as well. Drawers pull out, doors open, all of that good stuff. And then we have another 50-inch TV there as well. Floor lamp there in the corner. You have another side table with lamp and phone. And then you have over here in the dining portion, large dining table. Plenty enough room for 4 people to sit at, eat, play games, do whatever. Large mirror on the wall there. And I'll give you guys a little bit of view from this room here, 801B side. This is the view out here, guys. So it's a nice view of the mountains, and you can also see the planes taking off, pulling in, all of that. So this is the total room tour for 801B side, and A is identical. Quick walkthrough again. All right, guys, so that is the complete room tour. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you are thinking about going to Vegas and staying at the Grandview, check out one of the rooms. Yes, go ahead, book one of the rooms. They are very spacious, perfect for family, perfect for couples, like hubby and I use it as a personal space all the time without anyone staying in the room with us. So check them out, guys. Very nice property. The grounds are well kept up. There's plenty to do across the street at the Grandview Hotel. And and casino, of course. Full casino there across the street. Plenty of restaurants. Lots and lots and lots of stuff to do. I'll give you guys a tour of that a little later in another video. But thank you for coming to hang out with me today here. And if you are new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with all of your friends and family. Have them come on over to our channel and follow us and give us a like. Comment below as well. We answer all comments and we welcome all comments. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back, guys. Love having you here. You already know that. Hugs. Thank you again, as always, and come back and see us again in another video. Bye. One thing that I did forget to share with you guys is this timeshare also has a closet right here that is off the kitchen in a living room area. It has a full-size washer and dryer in it, y'all. This is where you will also find your broom and dustpan up there. But yes, full-size washer and dryer. This, so you can wash you some clothes if you're staying here in the time machine. If you're staying here in the timeshare and you need some things washed, or you don't want to bring as many clothing items, you can bring less clothes and just wash. So it's a nice feature. And they do provide you with laundry detergent in case you forgot yours at home, or if you don't want to go to the store and get any.